Okay, let's see if we can make a damper. Self-raising flour. How's the fire looking?
Good.
I'm going to do half a
Mum,
cup of
put some
caster
more
sugar.
wood in there.
Pinch of salt.
Ellie, no more sugar.
Lots of cinnamon.
Yay!
Don't touch it. Get out of it.
Yeah.
Now open the apples and put the apple in it. Whole can. Stuff it. Just see what happens. Oh yeah, get your fingers out, you grub. Okay, there, you've all had a go at mixing. No, don't touch. On a knife. Nice bit of oil.
Dad, now could I have it?
Now you can't touch.
Oh.
So we've got a bed of coals there. I'm gonna just put it in there because the camp oven was cold for a bit. Some coals on top, and then chuck it back on those bad boys. Half hour, they reckon. Oh, all right, I'm gonna give this a whirl.
Oh, it smells delicious.
Really?
Yeah.
No shit.
Smells like apple pie.
Smell it. Here we go. The grand unveiling.
Oh, it's gonna get cool.
Oh,
Ooh, perfect. Go eat it.
it smells good.
Give him a bite. Is it
Oh, it's hot.
promising?
Yeah, it's good.
What are your thoughts on it?
It's sweet. It's got sugar in it. Yeah, hot.
Hot.
Apple, cinnamon, and sugar. It's sort of slightly supplely sweet.
You need like shitloads of butter on it or something.
Mmm.
Oh, yum. And with sultanas.
Mmm.
It kind of tastes like raisin toast without the raisins.
Mmm.
Not bad.
So this is last night's damper going in the toaster. That's all that's left of it. Toasted damper and butter.
Does anyone else want an omelette?
Can I just hear everybody's opinion of the damper?
I'll have some, but not.
How's the damper?
Oh, it's beautiful. I want more.
Kobe, how's the damper?
Bloody amazing.